One of the things that's most challenging to first-time homebuyers now is that the process is made to appear more and more and more complicated, and they're not ever educated on how the process works. They don't know what to expect. And usually they think that they may not be qualified to buy a house. It's very common that they think they're not qualified to buy a house, when in actual fact, they're a great buyer. They just need to be educated on how the process works and what the steps are and what qualifying is, how it actually works, and then things go very smoothly. I'm fortunate because I'm in a business where I get to work with people all the time. When a client talks to me, I want to make sure that their dream actually becomes a reality. They need somebody that's on their side, that's going to be honest with them and tell them the truth. They need to be told up front what the actual transaction is going to cost, and go to somebody they know is going to give them the best deal, because my whole business is built on referral. So honesty is really important in my industry, because I wouldn't be in business without being honest, and that's the main thing that has kept me in business for 30 years. I'm involved from the very beginning because normally a young couple finds a realtor, they get excited about buying a house, they want to buy a house. The first thing that happens is they have no idea how much they qualify for. We gather up all their paperwork, their income and their credit and their employment and their assets, and I come in and that I package that so that we put the best foot forward when we present that to the lender, so that they have the best chance of the lender approving them. So I help them through that, through those barriers and those hurdles and those hoops and jumps. And then the day arrives when the documents are ready for signing. I have to make sure that what they are going to sign is actually what they've been promised all along, and I have to make sure the fees are correct. They're not being overcharged on anything. I check that out thoroughly. Then they sign, and then I make sure that anything needs to be done prior to the loan closing occurs with the lender, and then they get their keys. That's the happy day. I remember when the first house I bought with my wife, and that's what I think about. I think when I'm working is that here's a chance for this couple to start their life together, have children, raise their children in this house. I mean, everything that happens around a family is centered around the house. So it's exciting to me because I remember raising my children in the first house that I bought, and I have the opportunity to help a young couple do that. I enjoy that. I mean, and they're thrilled, of course, and so which makes me thrilled as well. So that's very rewarding. One of the things that I really enjoy, that really tickles me, is when I'll get a phone call from somebody that I did a loan for, in the 80s, and I remember them, and they track me down somehow, and then their children are going to be buying a house. Their son is going to be buying a house with his new fiance, and so I've gone over now into 2 generations of home buyers. So that's really rewarding and really cool. I'm Marty Prince, and I'm a mortgage broker.